If you've ever worked in Excel, you've probably seen people merge cells to make clean-looking headings that stretch across a few columns. It's one of those small things that make a sheet look more organized. In this video, I'll show you how to merge cells the right way, share some quick keyboard shortcuts, and then I'll tell you about a smarter option that many people don't know about. Let's start with the basics. The most common method is using the merge and center feature. First, select the cells you want to combine. You can just click and drag over them. Before you go ahead, keep this in mind. Excel only keeps the data from the top left cell, and everything else in your selection will be removed. You'll usually get a small warning message before it happens, just so you know. Once you've selected your cells, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Alignment section, click Merge and Center. That's it. The cells are now merged into one, and the text from the top left cell will be centered neatly in the middle. Now, if you click the small arrow next to Merge and Center, you'll notice there are a few other options. Merge Across will merge cells across each row separately. So if you've selected multiple rows, each one will have its own merged section. Merge Cells combines everything into one large cell, but keeps the text aligned to the left instead of centering it. And if you ever change your mind, you can choose Unmerge Cells to split them back into their original state. Now here's something worth knowing. While merging cells looks nice, it can sometimes cause problems when you try to sort or filter your data later. That's why many people prefer another method called Center Across Selection. It gives you the same visual result without actually merging anything. To do this, select the cells where you want your text centered. The text should already be in the far left cell. Press Ctrl and 1 to open the Format Cells window. 1. Go to the Alignment tab. Open the horizontal drop-down. Choose Center Across Selection and click OK. The text will look centered, but your cells will stay separate, which makes your data easier to work with later on. So if you just need a simple heading, Merge and Center works fine. But if you plan to do any data sorting or analysis, using Center Across Selection is usually a better idea. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to merge cells in Excel and when to use the smarter alternative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.